Hello, my name is Grace Morrison, and the purpose of this video is to talk about using direct quotations in your writing and quotation marks and in-text citations and end-of-text citations. So I've started off and I'm writing a paragraph and my topic sentence is medical assistants do a great deal of important work. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to read more of this article, and this part that talks about the sphere of work is the part that I want to use. So if I want to use this quote right here, this is the only time that I think it is any time appropriate to copy and paste because of what I'm about to do and how I'm going to include it in the text. So, uh, oops. So here's what I want to do. I'm going to copy it and paste it. And it's in a different format there, and I'll fix that here in a second. But I like this quote. So what I need to do is I need to say something to the effect of, according to Michael Auerbach. And so I'll put a comma right here, and then I'm going to use quotation marks, and I have medical assistants perform administrative and clerical support staffs in a medical office. This looks pretty good to me. The one thing that I want us to do is that came from the first paragraph of the article. So I'm going to put this piece right here. And then, of course, I would want to change that all to Times New Roman 12-point font. And I believe I need to do this back to a normal color so that it's all the same color. And that is a good start. It would be smart after this then I can talk about like what clinical support tasks means in the next sentence and kind of clarify what that means. But this is citing a source parenthetically or in the text. Your instructor might use either term. So the next thing that I want to do is I need to come back here and I need to grab the end of text citation. I'm going to go ahead and insert a page break in my paper and type references at the top of the page. And it should be centered. Not that that's desperately important right now, but I'm going to go ahead and open that up, and then I click this little cite button over here, and I'm going to grab the APA citation, and I can copy and paste that piece. It goes over to the left and needs to be 12-point font as well. So in this case, I've done what I need to do both in the text and at the end of my text to cite this resource. So there are a couple of pieces here I'm going to point out again. I have the author's name and the paragraph that it came from and the way for my reader to access the entire article. So those are the things that I would need to do to include a direct quote within my text.